So for this week's trades of the week, we're going to take a look at some recent swing trades. I mean, usually we look at the sniper trades over the last sort of week or so. It's been quite quiet for new trades actually, so just going to look back at something a little bit different over the last 3 weeks. Predominantly indices, but an FX and a commodity thrown in as well. So what is a swing trade? It's a slightly different strategy in that we're not looking for the sniper circle, but it is quite similar in many ways, but we are looking for opportunities in line with the major trend of the market. So first of all, let's consider this potential entry point. What we're really looking for on this chart is the red line here and the red line here being above this 75 dotted line. So in other words, it's an overbought market up here, and now the price is now starting to go down again, hence this red line that we're seeing just there. What that does is it gives us an opportunity to spot a turning point in the market. As we can see, after that point, for the next few days, the market fell about 350, 380 points, something like that. So it's a really nice move, and that was on the Spanish Ibex there. As far as the trend is concerned, let's try and keep things quite simple in this regard. I'm just going to quickly look at the monthly chart here. And what I'm looking for is this line, the red line here. The fact that it's red tells me it's a downtrend. So in other words, looking back to that short on the Ibex there, it was a short in line with the downtrend on the Spanish market. And all I'm looking for is a couple hundred points or so. Sort of go through targets with people who use the indicators in more detail. But basically we're saying it's a downtrend. We're then looking for those opportunities in line with that major trend. We don't need the sniper because that turning point in line with the trend is enough to give us a decent opportunity. What we're going to do is have a look through a few other trades over the last, as I say, few weeks or so that have been very similar really. Again, looking at the trend here over the last sort of 6 to 8 months there, the trend on the Nikkei been very, very strong, which puts us into a buy bias. As I then move to the daily chart to find my entry point, we can then see the actual buy here back on the 19th of January, 17076. Here we can see us sub that 25 level here. So looking for a buy, indicators now turning from red to green here as well. There's our buy on the 19th of January, and of course the market screaming some 1500 points higher now. So a very nice move in line with the longer term trend of the market. Nasdaq as well, similarly giving us a buy there on the 21st of January. Nice move initially, pulled back and then rallied again to new highs, and another great trade on the Nasdaq. S&Ps similarly, buy here. Again, that pullback, not taking out our stop loss though, and rallying significantly to our target as well. So it's not just about those snipers on our charts. If we can establish the trend and identify where that market is predominantly going, and then look for those quality turning points back in that direction, we can identify some significant trading opportunities. The Dow here as well, giving us that buy on the 3rd of February. From there, the market some 500 points higher now as we speak. Dollar yen, buy back on the 20th of January, again rallying about 200 points. And then finally, just to take us into the end of this video, on gold there, the downtrend on gold, let's just refer to the monthly. So we're looking here at this red line here, telling us the market is more likely to fall over the coming month or so. Therefore, let's look for those opportunities to sell. As I refer to the daily, there it is, above that 75 level. It's turned from green to red. It's green to red here. So on that day there, the 29th of January, we sell it. And here we are from that entry point, some 600 points lower from there. So another good trade. And a series of great swing trades there for us. Just showing you that it's a little bit more than just a sniper with for trend signal users. Some great opportunities there. And yet, still very simple to spot them.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.